Hello, everyone. My name's Kristen Peak. I am a social work major with a minor in psychology. I have taken quite a few web courses. I took them at my community college while I was working part time. It was a nice way to still be able to work and go to school and start on that path. Two things that I hope to learn in this class include just a better way to get help to the rural areas as far as social work goes, and even into healthcare in general, as well as what is being done currently to educate the people that are in the rural area on how to get help and how to go about in receiving services. I am from a small town in West Texas, so I know the stigmas around mental health and asking for help and things of that sort. Some information about myself is I just moved here in July to Fairbanks. I'm in Fairbanks, really close to the campus actually, so that's pretty cool. I'm originally from West Texas, but I have been living in Portland, Oregon for the last couple of years. I really have a goal of living all over the United States and learning as much as I can from the people in the different areas. So, Alaska was just one next step on our adventure up the West Coast kind of thing here. So, two takeaways from the reading that we did this week was the main one was just the really big statistics. I was really interested in how they talked about um, the low income in what the social workers and healthcare providers receive and how high their caseloads are. And then just the 10% of physicians are in rural areas, which is pretty small. One of the things that we always got told growing up was how get into the healthcare profession and work in a rural area and the government will help pay for your student loans and things of that sort. I also took away how important it is to really take in people's ethics and values when you work in rural areas, because I again am from a rural area in West Texas and I know how big religion and culture is in a place like that, and I think it's something that we can also probably see here in Alaska, is that even if it's the South or up here, that religion and culture are a very big thing for rural areas, and it's something that we should really consider when working in those areas. Anyways, I look forward to learning with you all and with some of you learning even more and furthering our careers. Thank you.